Today I am back in Wrexham to give you an update on the COP Redevelopment stand plan. So we've just got here. It's a beautiful sunny morning. Congratulations to Wrexham as well, who have just become champions of the conference over the weekend. Congratulations to them, first time in 15 years I believe. So well done. It feels like the whole town is just hungover. The turf pub, that will be the main reason why the town is hungover. It was drank dry over the weekend, had to close. Hats off to you, Wrexham. Hats off. If you do like this video, you can subscribe to our channel for future content. You can share, leave any comments in the comment section below. And now that the home games are finished for Wrexham, I believe the work will really start on this stand now. So we're going to get up in the air and show you what it looks like at the moment. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below. That can help support the channel and keep future videos like this coming. Let's get into the video. Take care of yourselves and we will see you soon. So I seen a post on Facebook, I think it was yesterday, saying that they're starting to take these floodlights down, and the one in the far corner has actually gone. So you'll see that in the video when we get in the air. But right now, not a lot's happening. So I believe work is going to start soon because they're now in pre-season. Look from the ground, it is time to get in the air. If you look to the right of the screen, you'll see that one of the floodlights has actually been taken down now. Okay, so when we got home yesterday, when I got home, we learned that they were taking all the floodlights down and replacing them. So the pictures you'll see in where the cop stand is going to be at the moment is of the new floodlights that they are putting up. So unfortunately at the moment, with the project being in the early stages, there's not much to really show. We just thought I'd give you a quick update on how it's looking and what's happening at the racecourse ground at the moment. Take care, we'll see you very soon.